My name is Sallie Calhoun, and I'm coming to you from the Paicines Ranch on the central coast of California. And we're standing here in a vineyard. And what I want to talk about this morning is this new vineyard design that we've been working on for 7 years, I think now, which integrates all of the principles of soil health, particularly the principle that you need to integrate animals into cropping systems. So this isn't exactly agroforestry, but you can kind of think of a vine as an orchard tree. And in fact, vines originally grew up trees. They didn't originally grow with these posts and all that, wires. It was about trees. So it's sort of relevant to the agroforestry world. So what we've done here is designed a vineyard which can be grazed year-round by sheep, and the sheep get to do a lot of the management of the vineyard, which saves us a lot of labor. Sheep have been in vineyards for thousands of years, but unfortunately, sheep love both the grape leaves and the grapes themselves, of course, because who wouldn't? So historically, once the buds break, you have to take the sheep out. They can come in during the dormant season, but they can't be in while you grow the grapes. And the idea of this vineyard is that they can be here all season long. The other key thing about this is because of the principles of soil health, we've worked to improve the health of the soil, and we use the sheep to manage the vineyard floor. So let me show you some of the way this works. The way wine grapes are generally grown is that this wire would actually be down here. So the grapes and the leaves are right on the ground. So what we've done is we've raised this main wire for training the grapes up high. And then as you can see, we train along here, and then the grapevines droop over these wires. And so what we're able to do then is the sheep can do a lot of the work. The sheep can do a lot of the work in the vineyard through the season. So in addition to grazing, whenever we want them to, using holistic planned grazing, they can also come in and they can sucker the vines. We don't have any suckers here, but vines tend to put out leaves like a lot of trees do, and those have to be taken off during the season. Since sheep love grape leaves, they'll do all that work for us, and that's generally manual work in a California vineyard. The other thing they'll do is you can see that these branches tend to grow over the wires and down toward the ground. People generally prune these branches, but we let the sheep do that. So once this is in the range of the sheep, they're welcome to reach up and bite off the end. And the other thing that is unique about this vineyard, you can see that we have planted a cover crop. You can see the lines here. Our cover crop here will grow in the winter. In California, we get rain in the winter and we get absolutely no rain for 6 months in the summer. So we grow our cover crops in the winter, and most of the forage that we can grow will be available in March and April for the sheep. So that's after the buds break, but they'll be able to be in here and eating the cover crop through May or June, if that's when the best forage is. Another interesting thing about this design you can see is that it's really a polyculture. We don't have just these grapevines with bare ground, which is what you would generally see in most vineyards. You can see that we have an understory growing here, under the grapes, which normally would be killed with glyphosate in California. And if we'd been here in the summer, you would have seen a lot more diversity in here. We would have had flowers to attract insects. And rather than viewing the plants underneath these grapevines as competition, which is what most vineyard managers would see these as, we see these as collaborators in producing healthy soil. So this vineyard has been here for 4 years. Sort of the main challenge has been trying to figure out how we can quickly get the grapes to get the vines to go higher, right? In most vineyards, they train them to here. We have to train them up to here. Everyone asks, how long will that take? Because of course it takes money to run a vineyard for an extra year. So on this side, it's taken us 3 or 4 years. We've planted another 12 acres, and we're trying to see if we can get the vines up to this point of growing more quickly. And the other thing that we've sort of had to figure out as we went is how to train the vines, how to prune them so that they work in this tall system. But it's working well so far. We hope that we're going to make lots of really high quality grapes. We will harvest our first grapes in September of 2021. And if you want to come taste the wine, I think we'll have whites in 2022 and reds in 2023 for your tasting. So hopefully you'll all come to Paicines, check this out in person, see some sheep in a vineyard, and then think about how we can use novel designs to really integrate sheep into more of our cropping systems, or any kind of animal into more of our cropping systems. So thanks for listening.